Miss Sammy Creations, and today I am kitting up Wonder Woman. Yes, look at her. OMG, y'all know I love her. Y'all saw the unboxing, so today I want to go ahead and kit up. These are the ones I had before from the other kit. So let's go ahead and get started. I am super excited. I'm gonna go ahead, I cut this out from my inventory sheet, and I just added a couple of strips of adhesive on the back, double-sided adhesive, and I'm gonna add it to the top of this storage box. And so I will remember this. Yes, look at her. Yes, Wonder Woman. I've already got my adhesive on the back of here. So we're gonna open up these two bags and get started. All right. Every moment. I put this as one of two. What I need to do is, let's see, I can't remember if there was multiples of them. I forgot how this is. So I'm gonna move that over to the side. And let's get them in order again. This is crazy. See, I haven't done this type. So, let's move these out of the way. Let's get them in order a little bit. So, has everyone been good? I hope you have been having a great day. Y'all know I am super excited about starting my Wonder Woman. So I'm just getting them in numerical order, so when I start putting them in the baggies, I can find them, because some of them have big bags, some of them have tiny bags. So I want to make sure everything is getting in the same, you know, container. Alright guys, I have got them kitted up. I only had one issue, if y'all saw. So what I'm gonna do, because I know I don't want to keep filling them up without the numbers. I know some people put the bag in there. I don't want to do that. When I get low on that number, I'll just cut open the bag again and fill it back up. Let me see. I probably could get one more in this one. Let's try one more in this one. Because I saw one when I did one time, I put 3 in there. It's very full. See, every time I open it, I'm like, no. Okay. I don't need to. Because I feel like it's going to overflow. Because I'm looking at the top. Yeah. I don't need to. When I get low, I'll just fill it back up. But I had one issue with one set. If y'all noticed, it was, I think, 3340. These are the only ones that have static. I don't know what that, what happened with these drills, but they were static. See how they're sticking to the bottom? The other drills are not doing that. So that's kind of weird to me. All the other ones are don't have that static. I keep trying to get that one green drill out of here. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll get it later. But I put all the extras on the side. I was gonna fill up another white because I don't think I have any other white, but that's okay. When it gets low, I'll fill it in. I have enough room on the sides to put those on the side. So I am so excited. I am so ready to start on this. Wonder Woman! She is gorgeous. So y'all let me know what you think. I love this kit. It's different, it's squares. I did a square before, but all these colors in here that matches her skin tone. I'm like, oh, if y'all saw it, I was going fast, but if you saw the video, I kept putting it up there. I love that color. So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my drill with me, my whips. You know I'm going to be doing her next. So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.